This is Marcus McCurry, DFW Fence. Just want to show what we're doing today. Working on a little gate project right here. Burnaby's installing the gate. Got a little lift master going in, LA 400. Lift master control box. Putting the photo eyes on, safety eyes. Got big adjustable hinges. Gate ever sags, you're going to be able to adjust it with those adjustable style hinges. We always on our drive gates install these all threaded, what's called a 7-inch adjustable barrel hinge. We'll put a cap on top, cover the top. This one was 7 foot tall in the center. Tried to make it a little bit more proportionate with the neighbor's fence over here. We're building a similar fence like this, but a little bit different. They did do the postmaster post here, but this company, whomever installed this, did treated pine as your rails. And if you kind of look down the line, the treated pine is warping here pretty good. And they did utilize cedar picket, but they used a 2x4 treated pine. We don't do that. We're going to use western red cedar. It's going to keep it more true and more straight. The guys here are lining out the post. These are the postmaster post right here. We've been installing these for almost 20 years now, so got a lot of experience with these. We can build a lot of different styles with them. We're going to put a cedar 2x4 in the middle. Going to have a 2x4 cut in half on the sides, on the edges on this. That other company didn't put a bottom cedar board here at the bottom, and we like to do that. They don't. But we do still put the pine footer at the bottom, of the very bottom of the fence. But up on top here, we're screwing down the top cap right now. Once we get the top cap in place, we'll actually start the nailing portion of it. Get ready here shortly. We're going to start nailing. We'll nail from the top of these fences down. So you start at the top and nail yourself down. You're going to custom cut the bottom one at the very bottom.